Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics quickly. Check iOS version and ensure the iPhone has at least 20% battery so updates and resets won't stop. Now, toggle Bluetooth off, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. This clears transient radio issues. Once done, power cycle the accessory so both devices renegotiate a clean connection. Bring the accessory within 1 to 3 meters to avoid range problems. You're forcing fresh device discovery, which often fixes the simplest pairing faults. You should forget the problematic device in settings Bluetooth and then attempt repairing to remove corrupted profiles. This forces a clean handshake. If problems persist, reset network settings. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords, but it clears hidden Bluetooth caches that cause conflicts. Also, look for interference sources. Wi-Fi on 4 GHz, microwaves, and dense device environments can scramble signals, so move to a quieter area. Then retry pairing to isolate environmental causes. You finish by installing any pending iOS updates because Apple frequently resolves Bluetooth bugs in firmware. If update doesn't help, perform a hard restart of the iPhone 14 to clear deeper system states. This often restores normal radio function. Finally, test with another Bluetooth device to determine whether the fault is the phone or the accessory. If the accessory fails with multiple phones, service it. If the iPhone fails with multiple accessories, escalate to Apple support or a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.